Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be doing our Ipsy Plus unboxing. For those of you that do not know, Ipsy is a $25 a month subscription. It comes with 5 full-size products every month, generally a value of over $100 in each box, and I love this box. I am not sure if you still have to be a regular Ipsy Glam subscriber to get this box. I know at one point they stopped doing that and then they just opened it up. I'm not 100% sure. I will put my link down in the bottom if you're interested in getting this box. And without further ado, I'm super excited to get into this so that I can watch other YouTube videos on this box, because as you guys know, if you watch my channel, I do not try to get any spoilers so that I can have the surprise when I open this up with you guys. I love this box. This has been a great hit ever since I started getting it. So let's go ahead and get into this box, you guys. So when you open it up, it always has Glam Bag Plus there. And don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Every month it's written there. And then sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's been yellow. And then that's what it looks like when you open it up. So this month's theme is Bear Yourself. August 2019, Bear Yourself, hashtag Ipsy Bear Yourself. And that is what the tablet, the little paper looks like. And then when you open it up, it has information about what is inside. And then it just says here, one more thing, add-ons. On September 2nd, you can add extra products to your September Glam Bag Plus, starting at just $3. But hurry, supplies are limited and only available for 24 hours or until they sell out. And I generally do put stuff on there. I don't know if there's anything in here that I added on or if it's in my regular glam bag. You can put it on either one. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I am seeing is this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. And it says, I think I'm saying that right. Anybody that watches me know that I can't pronounce anything. Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Infused with dead seawater, the mineral-rich mask helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. Does your sun-parched skin need a little extra TLC? This rich formula also works overnight to rehydrate skin. And then it has a tip. Once or twice a week, massage onto clean skin until fully absorbed. Rinse after 3 to 5 minutes. For extra hydration, wear it to sleep. Then rinse off in the AM. So you can wear this as a mask overnight. All right, and it is 3.4 fluid ounces, and it is valued at $33. They changed up the card a little bit. Okay, it is sealed, so let's go ahead and open that up, if I can. There we go. And then let's smell. It is a very, very thick cream. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Very, very thick. Oh, I just got it on my nose, really. Doesn't really have much of a smell. It doesn't have a smell at all. So it rubs right in. Definitely feels, I don't know how to describe it. Feels definitely like a really thick lotion. So definitely give that a shot. Okay, moving on to the next product that I am going to pull out, and these are brushes. I like Luxie brushes a lot, and I love getting our Luxie brushes in our boxes. Speaking of, that is one of my add-ons that I got, but I think they sent it by itself because I got it already, which is weird. Okay, anyway, so these are Farrah brushes, which I have tried these before. This is a 5-piece eye perfection set. It says, when beauty lovers create products, you know they're going to be good. This 5-piece eyeshadow set is designed to seamlessly shade and blend with professional level quality. Completely vegan and cruelty-free, each brush can be used with both creams and powders. And then the tip says, dip the ultralight 205 Fly Wing brush in cream liner and hug the top lash line. Gently pat the eyeshadow into fresh line to set. And this is $48 for this set. That's quite expensive for brushes, but for good brushes, that's what you're going to pay. So in our set, we have, they are very lightweight. Don't know that I like that too much. Luxie brushes definitely have a lot more weight to them, but here are our brushes, and then I'll go through each one of them real quick. Very, very, very lightweight. This one is number 6 short shading brush. This one is number 35E tapered blending brush. Very, very nice. I definitely will be using that. I'll use all these. This one is 65E large shading brush. And they're very, very soft. Very soft. This one is 3 mini tapered blending, which is awesome. I love all these brushes. And this is the 205 Fly Wings. So there are our 5 blending brushes. Excited. I do like that. And $45 set. Okay. Sorry, $48 set. All right, moving on to the next product in here. This is from It Cosmetics, which I have tried their products before. I think this, oh yeah, I have not tried this. This is new. All right, so this is It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer in Light. Developed with dermatologists, this foundation helps you put your best face forward. With the Properity 3D Skin Flex technology, this lightweight formula covers imperfections while giving you an even, natural looking finish. Plus, it's infused with a protective SPF 50, and this is $39.50 for this. And I'm glad they did give me light, because that's what I need. So they did follow your thing for this, your profile. That is what it looks like out of the box, just like her typical foundations. I'm actually excited about this, because there are days that I just do not want to put anything on my face, and this would probably work perfect for that. You know, on like no makeup days. If it wants to come out any day, maybe. Hello, do you want to work? Anybody else have this problem with this tube? Oh, there we go. So then it squirts everywhere. So that is what it looks like. Nice and creamy like. Does have a scent to it, but all her products have this scent. So if you've used any It Cosmetics products, you'll know what scent I'm talking about. It's actually like chemically to me, but it's not too harsh that you can't deal with it. So actually that really is nice, you guys. I really like that. Wow, yeah, that's nice. Like, that's gonna be great. Okay, Ipsy. Their boxes always kill it anyway. Always kill it. All right, so there's 2 things left. So there's this in this bubble wrap. So let's see what this is. I hope it's not a nail polish. I think it's a nail polish. And I've been doing my nails with the gel. I do the polish myself. But that's okay. Yes, it is. Smith & Colt. That's a really fancy bottle. Really, really fancy bottle. All right, so Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer in Forever Fades Fast. Stuck in a beauty rut, this opaque rose polish is the stuff of dreams. Super shiny, chip resistant, and 8-free, aka no harmful chemicals. Plus it's cruelty, paraben, and sulfate free. Or phthalate free? This unique handle was designed to look rough yet refined, kind of like real life. Valued at $18. And I don't know if you can see the divots in there. It's kind of cool, but it's on purpose, obviously. So there's that. That's really pretty. I mean, I'll definitely use it. That's a big, heavy nail polish. All right, and on to the last thing in this box. Super excited. Did not know. I mean, I kind of heard that this might, that this company was in, sorry, I've got to bend down. This company was in here, but I didn't know for sure. Obviously, I'd heard rumors about it, but I wasn't positive. And this is from the Balm, you guys. So this is In the Balm of Your Hand, Greatest Hits Volume 2. That's so cool. Wow. Okay, so let's read up on it. This is the Balm Cosmetics In the Balm of Your Hand, Greatest Hits Volume 2. Endless looks in one sleek palette, from eyeshadows and blushes to bronzer and highlight. Okay, well, I don't like when they do everything in here, but okay, we'll see what it looks like. This baby has it all and then some. We love how portable it is, so we'll be packing it for all the summer weddings, long weekends away, and more. And this is valued at $32. So let's see what it looks like inside. So you take it out, and it's the same packaging. On the back, it does have, I guess, what is in it. And we open it up. Okay, it's got a mirror. It's got a nice little mirror. And then that is what we have. I don't know, can you guys see that? Okay. I mean, let's do some swatches. So cute. So on the mirror, it says, I don't want to blind you guys, but it says, in the palm of your hand on the top. And then on the bottom, it says, who says you can't have it all? And then it's so cute. That's kind of cute. All right, so we have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, 3 blushes, and 1 bronzer, right? Yeah. All right, so we're going to swatch these. So Meet Matte, then this is Firm. It just says Nude Firm, Alice Copper, and Matte Russo, which these are all their regulars. So we've probably all seen these before. But let's go ahead and do some swatches. I want to do it where I didn't have that stuff. Nice. Very nice. Okay, very smooth and creamy. Definitely nice consistency. And that's all one swatch. You've seen one swatch. I like that so far. Very nice. You wipe that off, and then we'll do these. Well, the Mary Luminizer. We all know what that is. So there's the Mary Luminizer. Sorry, I did it on my thumb. And there's that, which I don't know if that's the best, but we all have seen the Luminizer before. Mary Lou Luminizer. All right, so then this is the bronzer, Bahama Mama. This is Down Boy Shadow Blush, it says. This is Frat Boy. And then this is Instain Long Wearing Staining Powder Blush. Okay. So that is those in the order I said. And then we'll do, oh, the bronzer's a nice color, actually. That might be something I can get down with. I'm always looking for a good bronzer. Okay, so that's not the best swatches, but what is that? I don't know. It looks like it had shimmer in it, but it's not really coming up shimmery, so I don't really understand that product. But, okay. So again, there is the palette. Very, very cute. Definitely will be getting some use out of that. I really do like that bronzer. That bronzer is going to be very nice for me. I think that's the perfect tone. So I don't know. I guess this came in different color. Maybe not. Maybe like there's not a light and a dark or whatever for this. But anyway, let's recap our Ipsy Plus, which I love so much. So we have our palette, which is amazing. I absolutely love it. We have this mask. We have the Smith & Colt nail polish. We have the It Cosmetics. And we have the 5-piece brush set. So, what did you guys think about this month? Did you like any of the products in it? Have you received any of these? Have you tried any of these? Please let me know down in the comments. I love, love, love reacting with you guys and talking with you guys. It's so much fun to me. And just, yeah, leave me a couple comments. I appreciate that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, because it helps me tremendously, and it will also push us forward to the next giveaway that I'm planning and have been saving for. And you guys, I have some really good products, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are coming up. I am working on trying to have a sort of schedule where I'm at least putting up a video a week, if not a couple a week. And as soon as I can get into the riff of that, then I will start saying, okay, I'm going to post on this day. So that's in the works, and that is definitely coming. So thank you guys so much for coming, and have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.